right, welcome back to Ed Foodie. Today I just thought I'd do something real quick and simple. Most of the stuff you already have around the house. We had a chicken breast, and if your family ever says, oh, baked chicken again, we're gonna zip it up a little bit and it's gonna be a wonderful dish. So all I did here, we'll get started on this. All I did here was took a chicken breast, pounded it out pretty thin, and all I'm gonna do is add a little salt, some pepper, and I've got just some leftover goat cheese that we had bought for some salads. I want to spoon some of that on there. Again, happens to have some leftover chopped onion from another recipe. Just leftover, or not leftover, just some lunch meat. Here I happen to have some Black Forest ham. I've got 2 real thin slices. I want to tear this into some strips. Put it on there like that. And I'm going to spice mine up a little bit just with some prepared horseradish sauce. Again, all this stuff, I didn't have to go out and buy anything. I just had it laying around the house. So now what I want to do is, you could either roll it into a roll or fold it over. This chicken breast got kind of knocked apart, so I'm going to do the best I can here to roll it. And then I'll put some toothpicks in here to hold it together. So all I'm going to do, I've got a baking sheet over here. I've lined it with foil and I sprayed it with some Pam. I'm going to set it on there and basically stick it in the oven, 450 degrees. I've got it preheated almost. I'm going to bake it for like 20 minutes. Let's add a little more salt on top. Perfect timing, it's preheated. Bake that for 20 minutes, and there you have it. Pretty fancy dish with just leftovers in the house, and it took, what, about 5 minutes to make. It's gonna bake for 20 minutes. Very quick, simple meal, and not just plain ordinary baked chicken like you always. It's been cooking for 20 minutes. Pull it out. I'll pull out the toothpicks. Thought there was one more. Anyway. So there you have it. This is a great meal. You come home from work, you've been working hard, you're tired, you don't feel like going out, you open up the refrigerator, all you have laying in there is a chicken breast. So this is just something to kind of snazz it up. I like to put, you can put a little bit of whatever salsa you happen to have in there in the refrigerator. I've got a little bit of avocado on the side, and let's take a bite and see how it tastes. Get a good middle piece. Very good. I love the creaminess of the goat cheese. If you don't have goat cheese, whatever cheese you have in the refrigerator, you can put Swiss cheese in there, blue cheese, cheddar cheese, lunch meat. If you don't have ham, sliced turkey, sliced chicken, whatever you got. So here's a quick meal. Cook for 20 minutes, takes you about 5 minutes to put it together. If you like this quick recipe and want to see other recipes or restaurant reviews, come visit my YouTube channel, Ed Foodie, Fun with Food. Please like my video and subscribe. Thank you.